Good morning students. Welcome to the 7th standard. Due to this COVID-19 epidemic situation, we all have to stay at home. So be safe and stay at home. Hoping we will be emerging out from this situation at the earliest. I am Shinde sir, going to teach you history subject of 7th standard. Let us start with the chapter number 2, India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In this lesson, we are going to study about the various dynasties which were existed before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. The first dynasty was Pal dynasty, second one is Rajput dynasty, third one is Gujar Pratihar dynasty, Chola dynasty, Hoysal dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Shilahars dynasty, Yadavas dynasty. These are the dynasties which we are going to study in this lesson. So let us start with the first dynasty, that is the Pal dynasty. The Pal dynasty was existed in the 8th century in the region of Bengal. The second dynasty is Gujar Pratihar dynasty. The power of this dynasty was spread up to Andhra, Kalinga, Vidarbha, West Kathiawar, Kanauj and Gujarat. The third dynasty is the Gadwal and Parmar dynasties, which were specially spread out in North India. So here I am going to ask you some questions regarding these dynasties. In which century the Pal dynasty was existed? The answer of this question is like this. The Pal dynasty was existed in the 8th century. And the next question is, the Gujar Pratihar dynasty was spread up to which regions? The answer of this question is, the Gujar Pratihar dynasty was spread up from Andhra, Kalinga, Vidarbha, West Kathiawar, Kanauj and Gujarat. So let us start with another dynasty, that is Rajput dynasty. The Prithviraj Chauhan belonged to the Chauhan dynasty, was the valiant king. Valiant means he was very brave king. The battle of Tarai was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. In the first battle, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori, and again in the second battle, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and took his revenge. Here the question which is going to come you in the exam, it is like this. Write down the two important lines about the battle of Tarai. So here you should write about the battle of Tarai was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. In the first battle, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori, and in the second battle at Tarai, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. The next dynasty is Chola dynasty. Rajraj first and Rajendra first founded this dynasty in Tamil Nadu regions. The Cholas conquered the Maldives Islands and Sri Lanka using their naval strength. The next dynasty is the Hoysal dynasty. It was founded by the Vishnuvardhan in the whole of Karnataka region. The third dynasty is Rashtrakuta dynasty. It was founded in Maharashtra by Govinda III. The Rashtrakuta power spread from Kanauj up to Rameshwaram. Later, Krishna III, the king of Rashtrakuta dynasty, conquered the region up to the Allahabad. The next dynasty is the three dynasties of the Shilahars. The first dynasty ruled over Thane and Raigad in North Konkan. The second dynasty was ruled in the South Konkan, and the third dynasty of the Shilahars ruled at the present Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli and Belgaum districts. The last dynasty was the Yadav dynasty, which was the prosperous dynasty before the time of Shivaji Maharaj. Bhilam the fifth of this dynasty was the famous king. He founded his kingdom at Devgiri near Aurangabad. He extended his rule beyond the Krishna river. Yadav period is considered to be the golden period of Marathi language and literature. It was in this period that the Mahanubhav Panth and Warkari movement was emerged out. Here I want to ask you some questions regarding these dynasties, that in which period is considered to be the golden period of Marathi language and literature, the Yadav, and why the Yadav period was considered to be the golden period of Marathi language and literature. Because Mahanubhav Panth and Warkari Sampradaya movement was emerged out under this dynasty. Now you will see some questions on your screen. You have to write down in your notebook with their answers. The questions are as follows. The first one is, which were the different dynasties before the Shivaji Maharaj? The second one is, which was the famous dynasty in Bengal? The third one is, who founded the Chola dynasty? The fourth one is, which period is considered to be the golden period of Marathi language and literature? Why? And the last one is, write down 2 sentences regarding the Battle of Tarai. In the next session, we will study about the invasion from the northwest. Thanking you.